Hey guys, this is our part 4 and in this part we are going to start with our paging part. So just create a new package naming paging. So paging, and within this paging we have to make a new class naming news paging source. So what it will do, it will simply make a network request call and get the data from the internet. So we have to extend this thing with paging source. So paging source, pass int as a key and value as an article. Okay, so just make a constructor, and here we have to override one suspend method naming load. And before starting anything on my load suspend function, we have to create a constant val naming starting index and initialize it with 1. And now here we have to create a position variable, and by using our params key we have to initialize this thing. But if it is a case it is null, we have to initialize with our starting index. Now you can see here we have to return load result. So now it's time to returning something. So I use try catch block in order to catch an exception. So first exception is IO exception, and second is HTTP exception. So HTTP exception, which is coming from our retrofit 2, and here we have to make an variable naming data, and by using our this news interface which we forgot to pass actually. So this is our news interface. We will pass this news interface in our news paging source, and by using this news interface we will actually get all news. And here we have to pass some arguments. So first is our country, which is in. Second is our category, which is business. Third is our API key, which is coming right from my constant class object, and second is our page, which will indicate our position. And lastly we have a page size, which we can get from params.load size. Okay, now it's time to return our load result dot page. And first is our data. So our data is coming from data dot articles. Second is our previous key. So we have previous key. If our params dot key is equals to our starting index, then we should return null to it. Else it is not the case, we have to return our position -1 cause it is previous key. Now it's time to next key. So if our data dot articles is empty, then in that particular case we should return null. Else we should return position +1. Now I think this is self-explaining. We did not need to explain this thing. And if we got some error, so we have load result dot error and pass our exception on it. Similarly, in our second catch block, we have make a load result dot error object and pass the exception on it. Fine. So this is our news paging source. So the work of this news paging source is it will actually perform a network request call. Okay, cause it is suspend, no need to worry about the coroutine and any other steps. Just simply create this source, create this news paging source and make a network request call. Okay, so that's all for this video. We only create this news paging source in this particular tutorial, and in the next tutorial we are going to create our view model and repository. So thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.